how can you easily set WhatsApp into dark mode or change the theme of WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do this, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp, and after that just simply tap to this three dots into the top right corner. Just simply tap into that, and then you will get the settings option. Simply tap there, and after going into settings, you will get to see this option of chats into here. Simply select chats, and after that you will get this option of theme into display. Just simply tap to theme, and then you can choose between light and dark into here. In order to change it to dark, just simply select the dark and tap to OK. Or if you want to change it to light, just simply select light and tap to OK. This way, you can very easily change the theme of your WhatsApp. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video.